Yeah, with the
no help.
Can't tell if that bike lane is going in both directions. There's no signage. It's quite narrow. Heading 45 kilometers to Viseu today. They got clean clothes, everything charged. Slept in a bed, had a shower. Great conversation. So I'm ready. Well, that was nice. Now back up the other side, and I have to do that twice today, I think. There's a €200 limit in Portuguese ATMs, but they don't charge you a fee, which is very nice. The ones that say not controlled. It's the one with radium in that I was a bit worried about. Oh, tak ada. Oh, my poor legs. Second 300-meter climb of the day. Okay, back up on the plateau, final proper climb done, and I'm now 5 kilometers from Viseu, where there's a pilgrim auberge back on the pilgrim route. I would love if they would let me stay 2 nights so I can explore the town in a more leisurely way, but that's not really what a pilgrim auberge are for, so we'll see. The attendant is on his way. These builders have handed me a beer. What's not to like? Cheers, Sauda. It's a scout camp here, but I think they're all in tents, and I'm apparently only the 3rd pilgrim of the year, so I suspect I'm going to have the place to myself for 2 nights. The knots in the roof. Nice day to know I've got a dorm bed to go back to. I guess it rains a lot in Viseu because they've got this cool undercover square. I've been invited out for lunch by a anonymous new friend, and I'm so excited because we've got this Brazilian meal, big pork steaks, this breadcrumb, fried breadcrumbs, fried banana or plantain, feijoada, yum. Another free museum. It's raining again, but I'm back at the hostel. Please subscribe.